So the interview process for the internship was pretty simple. I was put in an office for a while. I was interviewed one by one by about 4 different managers, and they were from different departments, different teams, and one of the managers I actually really clicked with, she currently is my boss. I got hired on, so that's pretty awesome. So we already had that connection from the beginning. To help me learn and grow in my position, my mentor really pushed for me to have my own duties and my own responsibilities during every work week. So one of the things that she had me do was file reports. I had Monday reports that I was in charge of by myself. I felt really good about that because it's like, okay, well, I'm learning. She wants me to learn. It feels good for her to trust me with something that's so important to the team. Another thing, she also let me have a little bit of freedom to be able to interview different people in different departments. So I was able to learn from different people just to see, okay, maybe that's something that I would want to do later on in the future. You never really know what career possibilities there are until you're actually there. Internships are kind of like training wheels on your bike. They kind of prepare you, you get your baby steps in, and then you're more prepared whenever you do get hired on. So for me, I was able to learn certain things that I have to do now in my position. If I didn't have an internship, I wouldn't have been so prepared to jump in and help as I am.